Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune a Ford Ranger. Tuning your Ranger's engine can unlock its full potential, offering noticeable improvements in both power and fuel economy. We will go through the process step by step, covering everything from understanding your vehicle's engine control unit to applying a new calibration. This guide will help you confidently enhance your truck's driving experience, making it more responsive and efficient on the road. Before diving into the tuning process, it is crucial to prepare properly. First, confirm your Ford Ranger's exact engine and transmission specifications, as these dictate compatible tuning options. Next, you will need a specialized tuning device, often called a programmer, along with its accompanying software. Most importantly, always create a backup of your vehicle's original factory calibration. This critical step ensures you can revert to the stock settings if ever needed, providing peace of mind throughout the process. Now, let's flash your new tune. Begin by connecting your tuning device to your Ford Ranger's onboard diagnostics 2-port, typically located under the dashboard. Once connected, the device will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Carefully select your desired tune and initiate the flashing process. It is absolutely vital to ensure your vehicle's battery is fully charged and stable throughout this entire procedure, as any power interruption could cause serious issues with your engine control unit. After successfully flashing your new tune, it is important to evaluate its performance and maintain your vehicle. For the initial 50 to 100 miles, drive your Ford Ranger gently to allow the engine control unit to adapt. Pay close attention to engine temperatures, fuel economy, and overall responsiveness. For the most accurate assessment of your gains, consider a professional dynamometer test. Regular maintenance, including oil changes and filter replacements, will help preserve the benefits of your new tune for many thousands of miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.